Okay, what's up, guys? So I've not made a photography app video in quite a long time, and this one has actually really astounded me. Alright, I could just seriously look at this like all day. Probably always could have. Wow. Wow. I am a huge fan of this app. Okay. Wow. This is pretty freaking sweet, guys. I tone it down, crank it up. Can mask it. Choose effects. Even go live to my camera. Wow, guys. Change the time. Reduce color mixes, increase color mixes. Wow, dude. Hamburger? There is a lot of things to play with here, guys. It may be totally worth it to pay for this app, in my opinion. If you could actually make use of it, I guess. But even this basic rainbow or psychedelic, or even the galactic. Holy cow, dude. Wow. Actually, yeah. Is there any easy way to reset to defaults or anything? Settings. Okay, guys. I love it. 0 div. Psychedelic Camera. 2 thumbs up, man.